Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by deciding the exact purpose for these short notes and gathering your inputs. This matters because it shapes what you keep. Once done, skim 3-5 sources and highlight only facts that serve your goal. Make sure to limit each topic to 1 page or 10-15 minutes of extraction, which forces selection and avoids clutter. Use a single template now, heading, 3 bullets, 1 example, so you can create consistent, searchable notes quickly and efficiently. You now transform highlights into concise, linked content. This is the core reduction step. First, convert each highlighted idea into one short, actionable bullet and trim filler words. Then apply consistent abbreviations and symbols to save space, and add a single illustrative example or formula when needed so meaning stays intact. Once done, tag or header group related bullets to create mental chunks. This makes review faster and you finish by polishing and validating your notes so they actually work when reviewed. Read each bullet aloud and shorten anything verbose to about 8-12 words. Brevity improves retrieval. Then run a quick 2-minute self-test, recall 3 bullets per topic, and revise any item you miss. If a concept still trips you up, expand that single bullet into a tiny 2-line mini-note instead of bloating everything. If problems continue, check your source selection and repeat the middle step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.